Here's how to check if your TV supports HDR or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is on your television, go ahead and click on the gear icon and you'll be redirected to the settings. On the settings option, scroll down and then click on the display and sound options under the general settings. Under the display and sound options, you will see there an option that says advanced display settings. On some television, it actually says as expert settings, but on here it says as advanced display settings. Now click on that. Afterwards, when you see there the resolution option and it says 1080p 60Z, it means that it's supporting an HDR. Another confirmation to see if it's supporting HDR is that when you see that under the resolution list, because 160 or 1080p is actually consist of HDR.